Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix your soft close drawer that does not close on your Ricoh. It goes to several models, which will be, for example, the INC 3500, 4500, and even your MPC 3504, 454. Basically, if you have a soft close drawer and it doesn't close, the issue is this unit, which is located in the back. You have to locate this unit in the back of the machine. And this is actually called a paper tray stretch lever. Okay, so I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix. So when you pull this unit out, if you see that white piece in between that groove, let me go ahead and do it better here. That white piece, if you see it push all the way in the back, that's because it's been smashed all the way in the back and it needs to go back to the home position, which is right here. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that. So what we're going to do here, you're going to take your tray out. You're going to find a little pin right here. And you simply grab, let me get in this angle. You simply put that pin in this area. Make sure it goes in between there, just like this. And push towards you. Now you're in the home position, which is the correct position. Go ahead and put this unit back on your machine. Make sure you put it when the tray is off or open. And once you finish installing this, it's a total of 3 screws, I believe. Once you install that, your drawer will be fixed and it'll start closing soft again. Hopefully this video helps you guys. Thank you.